challenges are growing more and more useful and impactful to the blind assistive technologies in the past couple of years. And we are very excited to host 2 new challenges in these areas this year. So as a quick introduction, few-shot learning allows the models to learn from very few new samples and then gain more knowledge from them. So with this strong learning ability, it allows the models to build more personalized and customized applications for our assistive technologies. And for zero-shot learning, it actually does not require any more samples in the use cases. So there is no extra teaching, which allows these models to be able to apply to very diverse domains. So the first few-shot challenge this year is Orbit dataset from Microsoft. This is a video object recognition dataset collected by 67 blind and low vision people, including 3,822 videos and over 400 objects. So this is actually the 3rd year that we're hosting this challenge. In the past 2 years, we are seeing very fast growth in the accuracy. So we are very excited to hit this milestone that we can move on from just considering accuracy to considering both accuracy and computational efficiency. And this means that in the future, we will be able to apply these algorithms to more lightweight deployments, such as on cell phones. And the next few-shot challenge this year we have is BIV-Priv dataset. This is a private object localization dataset collected by 26 blind and low vision people, including 1,028 images with 16 different private categories. This is the 1st year that we're hosting it, and we're getting 4 entries this year. We can already see the progress from the baseline is huge. And last, our zero-shot challenge is the VizWiz Classification dataset. This is a zero-shot object recognition challenge with over 8,900 images, covering 200 object categories from ImageNet. And this is also the 1st year we're hosting it, and we're already getting 24 entries.